What is it you want from me? I was going to keep you in my cage and feed you worms, and you would make a great pet. What? She make a grand attraction, the most glorious, beautiful bird that ever flew out to sea. Such a majestic bird, so graceful, with the winds underneath her wings. This guy is crazy. I am not a bird. I am a woman. I am a human being. Let's beat the shit out of him. We don't need to negotiate with a pirate. We already slain his crew. Let's go. You fool, how dare you call my big sister stupid mere bird? She's a damn bird. Can you see? She is a bird. A wonderful bird. Cretan stabs with sword.